You guys don't see this in Southeast Alabama that much. That is a lot of snow. Hey, welcome to my channel, Southern Boys Rides, where we talk everything motorcycles, motorcycle life, motorcycle culture. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Now let's ride. Good. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Deep here in Southeast Alabama. Look at this, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but we have a lot of snow coming down here today. A lot of it. I'm walking my property here, letting you guys see it. This is pretty unusual for us here in Southeast Alabama to have snow like this coming down this hard also. Look at there. Wow. A lot of snow. They've actually kind of shut us down. We left work early today, and they want us all to get off the road because they're salting the roads and everything. But this is just the start of it, guys. So I'll show you more later on when it accumulates and thickens on the ground, and let you guys check it out. I know some of you guys are used to having snow, but like I said at the start of the video, this is unusual for us here in Southeast Alabama. We get this maybe once every maybe 15, 20 years, or maybe even 30. Crazy. All right, guys. Can you guys see this? I don't know if you can see it or not, but we are getting a lot of snow here in Southeast Alabama right now. They're telling people, please go home if you don't have to be on the roads. So, hey, like I said earlier, we left. We're at home. I'm on the east side of our property, just standing here, looking at it snow. I don't know if you guys can see any of that, but I hope you can. Look at there. And like I said, once it all accumulates on the ground and gets pretty thick, because some more people that should be home, because trust me, a lot of people living here in Alabama are not used to driving in any kind of snow or ice. But anyway, they told us the other day to be prepared for about maybe an inch to 2 inches, which is really not that much. But now they're telling us to get ready for at least 4 to 8 inches. And that's going to be a lot of snow here. As you guys can see. And my wife is pretty happy about it because she's an Oklahoma girl. She's used to being in snow, and she hasn't had snow in this area in a long time. So she's pretty excited about it. Okay, we'll catch up with you guys later. All right, guys, it's just been a few hours and you can see all the snow on the ground here. I was going to wait till Wednesday to show you guys all the snow, but it is coming down like gangbusters here. Look at there. You guys don't see this in Southeast Alabama that much. That is a lot of snow on the ground, guys. A lot of snow. Too much snow. Son's car. Walk down in the woods. It is crazy. Crazy mad snow, guys. Can't believe it. Southeast Alabama. Did you guys just see what I saw? A motorcycle, a crotch rocket in this snow. That's my boy there now. He's braving it. Beautiful, guys. Hope you enjoy it. I'm telling you guys, by later on this afternoon or tonight, I hate to say it, but there's going to be some wrecks happening here. I guarantee you, somebody's going to wreck because this snow is going to eventually turn into black ice. And I hope no one gets injured trying to drive in this stuff here. I know I'm not getting in it. All I'm going to do is just walk. But you guys see some more of the property here. Crazy, isn't it? All right, guys, hey, thanks for watching the video. And we'll see you next time. Or here on Southern Boys Ride.